How you doing? Joe Luque over here at Phillips Chevy, and we're hanging out in a brand new 18 Z06 Corvette. Just wanted to show you another cool feature that it has. If you ever valet mode park, you know, and they're going to take your car, you want to make sure that your information is secure and then any personal belongings are secure. So what you can do with the screen is you can actually lock the screen in valet mode. So what you can actually open up the screen when you press the button. That opens up back here, gives you a little bit of room to store maybe money or an extra iPhone or something like that that you don't want to be out. And there's even a USB plug inside of there. But to do valet, all you got to do is go into the settings, go into valet mode. It's going to ask you for a 4-digit code. Make sure you remember that code. We'll do 9999 and hit enter, and then have you re-enter the code. Make sure you remember their code. Lock it up. Once this is locked, the screen, you cannot get behind that screen or any of your contacts on your phone that were paired with the Bluetooth. So all that is safe. When you get back in the vehicle, you just want to unlock it. You want to put in your code first. Put in your code, unlock. Now you're right back. So yeah, that's how you do it on the new Z06 and many other new Chevrolets. Come out and see us at Phillips Chevy.